if you're experiencing issues with multiplayer on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. You can do this by testing your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and making sure other devices can access the internet. Step 2. Restart Steam Deck. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Power off your Steam Deck completely and then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 3. Update Steam and games. Make sure that both Steam and your games are updated to the latest versions. Open Steam, go to the library, and check for any available updates for your games. Step 4. Verify game files. Corrupted game files can cause multiplayer issues. Right-click on the game in your Steam library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 5. Check game settings. Some games have specific settings for multiplayer. Go into the game settings and ensure that multiplayer options are enabled and configured correctly. If these steps do not resolve the issue, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.